Okay guys, so welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to purchase something from Jumia here in Ghana the easiest way using your bank account or your mobile money. Let's get straight into the video. So you want to just look for the Jumia application. It's better to have the Jumia application installed on your mobile phone for easy accessibility and easy way to make your purchase and payments. So I'm in the Jumia app and you can see my cart. In my cart, I already have some products I want to buy, which is this tempered glass film for Samsung Galaxy A05 and also this F9 Bluetooth headset, which I really need because I'm mostly in a noisy place. I need the headset for listening to videos and also for recording, and everything is going to cost 56 cedis 75 pesos. That is the subtotal, but you should know that this is just the prices for the goods you want to purchase. Later on, delivery prices is going to set in, and also if it's being shipped from outside the country, it's also going to incur some costs. So if you already have your things, the things you want to purchase on your cart, you just want to click on this checkout, which will take you to the checkout page or where you can place your order. And what I was saying about the items or the price we previously saw being the price of the items. Here you can see the 56 CD 75 pesos for the items, and delivery fee costing 19 cedis 97 pesos. It really costs. And international customs fee, which is just CD, because the products I'm buying is being shipped from outside the country. So the payment method, so under that you can also see payment method where you can change to choose the way you want to make payment. So you can see mine is set to the prepay now with the card, where you can use your mobile money, you can use your Visa card, your MasterCard, whatever it is. And also under that, your address, that is the address you put in when you were creating a Jumia account, so it's not much needed. Then down is the delivery, where you want the product to be delivered to, so you can also change it. Yeah, you can change it. If you're in Ghana, you just have to select the region and it's the city. So mine is I'm in Ho currently, and that's where I want to receive it. So I'll just click on select pickup station. Then under that you can see the shipment, the things that would be shipped to you. So there are these two things, which is the F9 Bluetooth headset and the tempered glass film for Samsung Galaxy A05s. Sorry, A05. So next we want to go to proceed to payment, which will take you here. Here you want to select your payment method. It's already set to the card, either the Visa card, the MasterCard, or your mobile money. Then next, select payment. So now you just want to make sure everything is set. Everything set is based on your preference. When you're all done, you just want to click on confirm order, which will take you to a new page where you're going to make the actual payment. It's actually going to go through some some processes, and now you can see we are in the payments page. Here I can pay with either my mobile money, but no, I want to pay with my bank account, my Visa card. So I'm going to go to where we have change payment method, and here I'm going to select bank cards, where I'm going to pay with my Visa card. So I'm just going to input the details and we'll get back to that. When I'm done, I'm just going to click on pay now and see our process is being taking place. So let's wait for the actual process to be completed. So here it said the purchase authentication, where you want to authenticate that you are the one really trying to make the payment. So there's two ways. How do you want to receive it? Do you want to receive it through email or text? But I think text is the simplest way, so I'll just click on continue after selecting text. So a code will be sent to your phone number, which you have to input and submit to authenticate that you are the one really wanting to make the payment. So that is my code that just came. So okay, so when you have the code, you just click on submit. to start processing again. So it can take up to 2 minutes, so let's wait. Okay, so we are done. It said thank you for placing an order on Jumia. You can see our order number. It said just lay back until your order gets delivered, and yeah, we'll get a notification through SMS, email, app inbox, and push notifications when the purchase is ready for pickup. So we just want to move to see order details. So here you can see our products are being on wait until they are being shipped. You can cancel them at any time. You can also track. So let me track something here. Let's say I want to track the tempered glass film, so I'll click on track film. You can see now everything that's I've placed the order, confirmation has been made. Now our product is now in the process of being prepared for shipment. So once the order is shipped, you'll be notified promptly. So guys, that is it for this video. See you next time. Peace out.